Londa here with Marquee Media. ChatGPT is so much more than just a tool that can help you rewrite emails. It can help you create task lists, goals, create meal plans, and it can help you to streamline your finances, all based on the type of information that you enter into it, or what are known as prompts. Today I'm going to show you how to create a task list and have it prioritized for you in just a few easy steps. The first thing that you would want to do is log into your ChatGPT. I have ChatGPT already set up a little bit. I've been using ChatGPT for a while, so some of the responses to the prompt that I will get after I enter them maybe a little bit more advanced than what you would get as you're starting out. So our results are going to vary. Don't panic. The more you use ChatGPT, the more familiar it will become with you. You'll become with it. ChatGPT is one of those things that you speak to it the same way that you would just kind of speak to a friend. That's the way I use it. There are some people who want to be very pleasant and say please and thank you. I don't say please and thank you. I'm a little bit more direct with my prompts when I enter them, but that's just a preference, completely up to you. I'm going to show you to go in, put the prompts in, and to have the information returned from ChatGPT. We're going to say to take your list of tasks for the day and prioritize them. So here are my tasks for today. Prioritize them for me. And so our tasks are to go grocery shopping. We're going to call mom and dad. We are going to balance the checking account and write the email regarding fees due. We'll say that, fees due. All right. Once I have entered all of the information, the next thing we're going to do is just hit enter or the arrow. And now it's going to provide us with a response. So here's a list based on a prioritized list based on urgency and importance. So, and I love that it also gives me the reasons why it's putting them in this order, this prioritized order. So write the email regarding fees due. This task generally has or is likely to have a deadline, and it seems very important, and so that's why it set it up higher on the list. Then balance the checking account, because managing finances is crucial. So there is actually logic that's built into ChatGPT to be able to help you prioritize and manage tasks, and that's why I love it, because people don't realize that it has these capabilities. It's time saver. Remember, in 2025, we're working smarter, not harder. All right. Now that we have provided our list to ChatGPT and we have asked it to prioritize it, now we can go and we can ask for something more specific. Now, it also responded, let me know if you'd like to help create a schedule for these. So let's say yes. Now I was about to type please. I'm just going to do that just to show you how it works. Please create a schedule for these tasks. And this is actually going to put it in like time blocking format. So now I am doing this with extremely simple things, so you can see how if you were to input other criteria into this, how you would have similar results. So I hope that seeing this is a way to kind of get your wheels going about what AI can do and the capabilities of it. That's what it does for me. It gets me excited. Ooh, what else can I do? What else can I put in there? Ooh, what else can we play with? So now, this has provided our schedule. So we've got the morning, we've got mid-morning, afternoon. It even, again, puts a reasoning and rationale as to why it put it in the order that it did. And then the next thing it says is, let me know if you need adjustments or have other tasks to fit in. So this is how you would make a modification. So say you're like, oh, I forgot, I also have to run by the post office. You can go in and easily make the modification. I forgot to add that I need to run to the post office. Update my list, update my schedule, I'll say, accordingly. And so now it will provide an updated schedule that includes me being able to go to the post office. So as you'll see, in the morning, it recommends writing the email, then balancing the checking account, making the call with my mom and dad. And I love that it says there, take a breather and connect with your family. Again, yours may not respond with that. The responses may vary. This is just giving you an idea of how it would work. And then I'm going to go grocery shopping, taking some breaks that it's recommending in here. And, oh, I forgot, there was one that I added. Go to the post office. So from 11 to 11:30, do this before lunch when it's less busy. So there you have it. Quick way for you to be able to enter tasks into ChatGPT, have them prioritize for you. And there are other things that you could do. If you were to put in each place that you're going to and their addresses as ChatGPT to put in an order by distance to what would be the smartest way for you to go. Remember, 2025, we're working with smarter, not harder. So if you've gotten this far, thank you so much for watching. I definitely appreciate you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn your notifications on so that you are notified when my new videos drop. I'll be dropping a video at least once a week with tips and tricks to help you be more productive with ChatGPT.